I'm doing an experiment. I bought a extra battery cable from Ecoflow, and I just cut one end off of it, and I'm getting ready to prepare it by putting adding some ring terminals on the positive and negative, and then see if I can then use this Watt Cycle 48 volt battery to power the extra battery port on my Ecoflow Delta Pro. So we'll see how this works out. There are 3 wires in the cable, a large red and a large black, which is the positive and negative, and there's a small black wire. I'm assuming it's a communication between the Ecoflow and the extra battery. I probably won't need to use that one.